On today's First Look, we have a very special Lamborghini. This is President Trump's 1997 Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster, lot number 1407. Built to succeed the famed Lamborghini Countach, the 1997 Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster is one of only 132 produced for the U.S. market between 1997 and 1999. What makes this Diablo stand out is the fact that it was ordered brand new by President Donald J. Trump, who owned and drove it until he sold it in the summer of 2002. Trump special ordered this Diablo in a blue Le Mans paint color, which was not offered in 1997, making it the only Diablo painted this shade in 1997. The car was further personalized with a Donald Trump 1997 Diablo plaque installed on the door. This Diablo is powered by the mid-mounted 5.7-liter 492 horsepower V12 engine. The 48-valve V12 engine channels 430 foot-pounds of torque through the 5-speed manual transmission. The viscous traction system, or VT system, redirects the torque to the front wheels when needed, resulting in superior traction, enabling the car to go 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds and hit a top speed of 202 miles an hour. This one-off Trump-owned Diablo combines Lamborghini supercar history with American presidential history, with a little over 15,400 miles on it. It is selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale 2024 auction, January 20th through the 28th. See you there.